Hi there, it's Mega Servo. I'm gonna show you how to set the dark theme because I like the dark theme better than the light theme on Google Pixel phones as well as Android devices that run Android 9.0. Okay, this is how easy it is. Go into settings, or if you don't have the settings button, slide up, scroll the way down and select settings. A third method is scroll down and then down and then press the gear and you're in settings. So go into display, obvious, and then expand advanced, scroll down, select device theme. You can keep it as automatic, it'll change based on your wallpaper, or you can force it to go dark. Now, light theme at the moment is set all this to white, as you can see. Mainly the notification bar, the settings, and other areas. So if I change to dark, exit out, you'll notice the dark theme. Also, to the left, the newsreel is set to black now, to dark. So that's it. And then display, advanced, scroll down, device, light, and it's light now. But I really like the dark theme, so I'm gonna set it to dark. I just wish Google had made the menu dark as well and other aspects, but that's okay. So that's how easy it is. So if you've got Android 9.0, that option will be there. And in similar way in Samsung devices and Huawei and other versions. But Google Pixel, every generation, you'll be able to see that setting if you've updated your phone. Signing out.